So in the last video I showed us how to make changes within the table of a database by changing the records, changing the values of the records, and we changed Jane to Jack. Well, in today's video I'll actually show us how we can change the field names, the column names. We can make changes, like we don't want username to be username again, want it to be user. Well, as you can see here, to do it on phpMyAdmin interface, we just click structure, then we come to this. Okay, which one do you want to change? We want to change username, right? So we come to change username, and you can actually change it from here to user, even though we'll change it back, but this is just for sample case. Table admin has been altered successfully, and if you can see, we have user as this, so to change it back, but for demonstration purposes we have succeeded that it can be changed. We want to change it back because that's what we would use in future purposes. Okay, so here in our command prompt, let's go ahead and do the same. Use tutorial 2. Okay, and well, we want to use tutorial 2, and as usual, let me select all from admin to be able to see the change as it occurs. So we use the query, the keyword alter in this case. So how does alter work? Well, alter, then we are going to indicate this other keyword as table. So alter table, what table? So we indicate the table name, and what do you want to do? Want to add a new column or want to delete a different column? Well, that depends on what you really want to do. And well, alter table, the table name, and add maybe, let's say, a new column, right? And we also include the data type, and we end with a semicolon. So alter table, it looks simple, right? And it is simple. So alter table, now the table name is admin, and alter table admin, and add column this, right? So add column, what other column? Let's say user, with the data type of varchar 15. Or let's add another guy, maybe user ID with a varchar of integer. Yeah, something like that. Let's see if we get errors. No errors, right? So query okay, 2 rows affected, and records 2. So when we do select all from admin, we should be able to see that we have a new field, a new column, user ID, and it's there as a new column, and the values are null, so we can actually add values, like, okay, using our insert. So insert into admin, and we indicate just that value, just that field, user ID, values. Let's say we want to just add a value as 3 since it's integer, and it's okay. So select all from this. Well, yeah, sorry, I didn't indicate any ID, right? So let's try it again. Insert into this value 3, so where ID equals 1. Yeah, thank God we have an error today. Well, we want to insert into admin table, and into this field, into this column, we want to insert value 3 where ID is equal to 1. So this actually shouldn't work because we are inserting, and to insert, it means you are actually working on a new value, on a new field, on a new record. So what we can do is we would update this record, because 1 as it is horizontally this way is a record. So all we can do is to update, right? So let me update. So we update that record, right? And we have done the update query in the previous lesson. So update admin, set what username, user ID to be equal to 3, where ID equals 1, and it worked. So let's just select all from this, and we should be able to see it here. Well, that's all for this lesson. I hope you've learned something, and if you have any questions, make sure you post on the post box, on the comment box I will provide. And thank you. See you in the next.